Hey everyone, welcome to Electric Scooter World. If your electric scooter isn't turning on, don't worry. Today I'll walk you through the 5 simple steps to get your ride back up and running. Make sure you don't miss any of the steps. So stick around and let's get started. Our first step is to check the power supply. It might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how often this is the issue. Make sure your scooter is fully charged. Plug in the charger and look for any indicator lights on the charger and the scooter. If the lights aren't on or blinking, your charger might be the culprit. Try using a different outlet or another charger if you have one. Next up, let's inspect the battery. Ensure the battery is securely connected and seated properly. Sometimes a loose battery connection can prevent your scooter from turning on. Also, check the battery terminals for any visible damage or corrosion. A little cleaning can go a long way. Now let's move on to the power button. Press it firmly and see if there's any response. Sometimes the button itself might be faulty or stuck. If it feels loose or doesn't click, it could be the reason your scooter isn't powering up. Did you know some scooters have a reset button? This little button can be a lifesaver. Refer to your scooter's user manual to locate it. Once you find it, press and hold the reset button for a few seconds. This might restart the scooter's electronics and solve the problem. Our final step is to inspect the wiring and connections. Check all visible wiring for any loose connections or damage. Sometimes a disconnected or damaged wire can prevent your scooter from turning on. Make sure everything is plugged in properly and secure. And there you have it. By following these 5 simple steps, you should be able to diagnose and hopefully fix why your electric scooter isn't turning on. If these solutions didn't work, it might be time to contact customer support or visit a professional. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more electric scooter tips and tutorials.